that the profession I'm in, I was actually doing from the time I was 4 years old. पूरे इंडिया के सरपंच लीडर्स हैबिटेट सेंटर में आए.
How does collaboration or teamwork plays a role? Wow.
तो बेटी बचाओ, डिजिटल इंडिया, स्वच्छ भारत, मेक इन इंडिया, उज्ज्वला योजना, मुद्रा योजना, ये 71 स्कीम्स हमारा प्रोडक्ट था. अब एक्सेल चार्ट तो आ गया, डेटा आ गया, लेकिन इसको आप कंटेंट में कैसे क्रिएट करो कि ये इंसान बस ये करेगा, ये इंसान वो करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. I produced, directed and produced a film for the Indian Air Force. Don't ever let your gender obstruct you from achieving your dreams. हम क्या चाहते हैं? हम क्या चाहते हैं कि इस प्रोडक्ट के सेल्स बढ़ें. ब्रांड का जो वैल्यूज है वो कंटेंट में आप किस तरीके से एम्बेड करो. लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस ब्रांड रिप्रेजेंट्स. यू थिंक अपसाइड डाउन. उसी चीज को 5 अलग नजरिए से सोचो.
So hi Malini, thank you so much for coming, and today we'll be shooting our podcast Branding Blueprint with Sudhanshu on especially on your experience. You have diverse experience and so many years of experience in content creation and content marketing, and so I just want to give that perspective to our audience, how content creation works, how content marketing across platform works. Let's start with your journey in media and marketing industry. I'm sure you must be having a lot of those magical moments that kept you motivated. So do you want to share some experience with us?
So actually my magical moment was when I realized that I've been doing this since the time I was 4 years old. One day I realized that the profession I'm in, I was actually doing from the time I was 4 years old. 4 साल की उम्र में हमारे घर की बालकनी के बाहर एक छोटी बच्ची थी, वो चाय बनाती थी वहाँ रिक्शा वाला के लिए, और मैंने एक स्टोरी बोर्ड क्रिएट किया, इमेजेस को ड्रॉ करके और नीचे कैप्शंस. उस वक्त मुझे पता नहीं था कि स्टोरी बोर्ड का मतलब क्या है, लेकिन मैंने एक कहानी बनाई कि वन डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ दिस यंग गर्ल. मैंने उसको एक नाम दे दिया. आई डिड नॉट नो हर, एंड then after that I was on stage at the age of 5. स्कूल में मैं जब थी तो हमने बैचमेट्स को इकट्ठा करके हम लोग ने एक एनुअल डे के लिए मैंने एक स्क्रिप्ट और बैचमेट्स को डायरेक्ट किया. उस टाइम पे एक सीरियल होता था माइंड योर लैंग्वेज, ब्रिटिश सीरीज था अबाउट डिफरेंट पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, कोरियन, जापानीज, Italian, all learning English from an English professor called Mr. Brown. तो हम लोग ने मैंने अलग अलग बैचमेट्स को एक एक कैरेक्टर दिया और अपना ही माइंड और लैंग्वेज का एक एपिसोड करके एनुअल डे में बना दिया. स्क्रिप्ट बना दिया, प्रॉप्स कर दिए, कॉस्ट्यूम्स कर दिया, लेकिन पता नहीं था कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. मतलब बस it was just something I wanted to do. And then when I was in college I got into theatre full time. Then I began taking part in debates. I attended all the debates in Delhi University. I won all, including IIT, Stephens, Hindu. Every college I went to, I became president of the debating society. And so what I'm trying to say is that, you know, this, जिसे कहते हैं the seed of being somebody who creates content, who scripts, who directs, who puts together people and crafts a story. That seed was there from the time I was 4 years old. So my moment of reckoning was that when I realized in my profession, and one of my friends pointed it out to me कि यार तू तो 13 साल की उम्र में कॉलेज मैगजीन के लिए हम आर्टिकल्स लिख रही थी, 14 साल की उम्र में हम लोगों को डायरेक्ट कर रही थी, तो तू दिस इज नॉट अ प्रोफेशन फॉर यू, दिस इज जस्ट अ हॉबी. एंड दैट वाज my wake up moment that that's actually right, that I've been doing this from the age of 4. So what I'm trying to say is that, you know, that line, Sudhanshu, that line between passion and profession, and if you have that clarity of thought from the beginning. In my first year of college, undergraduate, I knew कि masters में मुझे mass comm करना है. मैंने सारे इंडिया के colleges में apply किया. I got into the Sophia College for mass comm in Bombay, and then left to come to the Delhi one, a mass communication research center, because I wanted to do a master's, because someday I would maybe like to teach. So what I'm saying is that when you have that clarity of purpose, then, you know, the energy with which you approach your profession is like a roller coaster, because that line between passion and profession is so fine that you're enjoying your work.
Right. It becomes a fun.
It's always fun.
Working with diverse range of brands brings in a positive experience in variety. And ये तब होता है जब आप when you start creating a positive impact in the minds of your audience as a brand. How do you do it? कुछ examples हैं आपके पास?
So actually, Sudhanshu, I've been quite fortunate. I've worked apart from so these are brands in themselves. Some of these are pro-social brands. Some of them are from the United Nations. So there was one such brand which is a New York-based company that works on climate change across the globe, and they wanted to do a film on climate change, but specifically targeting Sarpanch leaders. Achha. And they specifically wanted a climate change film using not documentary. They said कि there's no point preaching to the already converted. जिनको already पता है climate change के बारे में, उनको we don't want to use the documentary format. We want to use a fictional format. Okay. So here was the challenge. We had to create a compelling 45-minute story targeted to Sarpanch leaders, and the message was very clear. The message was eventually it should help farmers to prevent farmer suicides, so that they are better equipped. They know climate change kya hai. They know better usage of crops, crop rotation, irrigation systems. Wow. So we found on the outskirts of Delhi, we found 2 villages with a highway in the middle. एक विलेज था जो बिल्कुल सूखा था, और एक विलेज था जो बहुत हरा था. और हम लोग ने क्या किया, we had to the story was about 2 Sarpanch leaders, and the Sarpanch leader who is from the barren village goes to the green village, and the learnings that she has. So we wrote the whole screenplay. The film did very well. It won awards internationally and all of that. But I think the message, and when your question was, impact of message and sort of feeling that one has really done something worthwhile, was when the film was screened. Of course, the film was taken all over India, और सारे सरपंच leaders अपने पंचायत में they watched it. Farmers from across the country watched the film. It was made in many different languages, north, south, west, east. Okay. But ये सरपंच leaders, पूरे इंडिया के सरपंच leaders Habitat Center में आए, और मंच में एक एक करके एक एक औरत ने बताया ऑडियंस को कि इस फिल्म से उन्होंने क्या सीखा, और उन्होंने अपने पंचायत में आगे फार्मर्स की संगठन को क्या मैसेजेस दिए, और how the farmers got information from this film. And maybe, I mean, I'd hope that it kind of empowered the farmers, it empowered the Sarpanch leaders. So that was really a euphoric moment to see how something that we created in our minds percolated down and really helped communities.
आपने एक डिफरेंशिएशन क्रिएट किया है जिसमें वो दोनों सरपंच के बीच में उनको मतलब पब्लिक एक डिफरेंशिएट कर पाए कि किस तरीके से दोनों चीज़ें एक दूसरे से अलग हैं एंड कैसे मूव करना है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. और
एक्चुअली हम लोग जो अर्बन शहर में हम बैठे हुए हैं, पब्लिक स्कूल एजुकेटेड हैं, हम लोगों को अपना सोच बदलना पड़ता है कभी कभी.
Right.
तो so when you're talking about brand, you're talking about messaging, you're talking about content, sometimes you have to come out of your comfort zone and think from the point of view of somebody who has a completely different background from you, and that's a challenge, but it's a rewarding challenge to look at content from a totally different prism.
Right. Managing content creation across multiple platforms simultaneously is not an easy task. बहुत difficult होता है. How does collaboration or teamwork plays a role? How do we generate outcome out of it?
I think the crux to a good product is collaboration and teamwork.
Absolutely.
Managing teams, being able to manage teams, managing egos, managing personalities is really the crux of it, because like no two brands are similar or identical, no two people are similar, and each one has their own strengths and weaknesses, and if as a leader you can identify कि इसका strength क्या है, इसका weakness क्या है, और इस इंसान का strength हम कैसे निकालें. So I'll give you an example. In one of my assignments, the task was create a team of 14 people. I was leading a team of 14 people. The brand was the government, and the product was 71 flagship schemes of national priority of the government.
Wow.
So Beti Bachao, Digital India, Swachh Bharat, Make in India, उज्ज्वला योजना, मुद्रा योजना, ये 71 स्कीम्स हमारा प्रोडक्ट था. और क्लाइंट था, ब्रांड था,
71 प्रोडक्ट्स थे.
71 प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली नेशनल स्कीम्स, and brand is government.
Wow.
And the brief was कि देश के कोने कोने में जितने यूथ हैं उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये स्कीम ने देश के लिए क्या किया है और ये यूथ की लाइव्स को कैसे एम्पावर किया है.
देश का इम्पैक्ट हमने देखा है.
सो अब लेकिन हम लोगों को क्या मिला? कंटेंट बनाने के लिए हम लोग बैठे हैं और हमें बोला कि चलो आप कंटेंट बनाओ. तो हम लोग ने बोला सर कंटेंट हम बनाए कैसे, कुछ हमें दीजिए. अब मैं बताती हूँ हमको क्या मिला. हमको मिला एक एक्सेल चार्ट. वो एक्सेल चार्ट भी नहीं मिला, हमको बस मिला कुछ डेटा कि बेटी बचाओ इस साल पे लॉन्च हुआ है, इतने बेनिफिशियरीज हैं, स्वच्छ भारत में इतने टॉयलेट्स हैं, इतने. सो वी गॉट एंड वो डेटा हम लोगों को डेटा भी कलेक्ट करना पड़ा. सो व्हाट वी डिड वाज वी हैड अ टीम ऑफ रिसर्चर्स, script writers, director, producer, post-production producer, graphic artist, social media manager, and what we did was we created a Excel chart of 71 schemes. और एक एक स्कीम का हम लोग ने डेटा डाला वो चार्ट में कि कितने बेनिफिशियरीज थे, कितना कब लॉन्च हुआ है, कितना सक्सेस हुआ है, बेनिफिशियरीज कौन से स्टेट के हैं. जैसे मान लो अगर मुद्रा योजना है तो कितने लोगों को लोन्स मिले हैं, उसमें से कितने लोन्स डिसबर्स हुए, कितने ने अपने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किए हैं उससे, किस स्टेट में सबसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुआ है, किस वजह से किस स्टेट में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ है. तो हम लोग ने की पॉइंट्स ये एक्सेल चार्ट में क्रिएट किया. अब एक्सेल चार्ट तो आ गया, डेटा आ गया, लेकिन इसको आप कंटेंट में कैसे क्रिएट करो? तो देन वी ब्रेनस्टॉर्म्ड एंड वी सेड ओके let's do something totally unique. And अगर हम लोगों को यूथ के पास पहुंचना है और अगर हमको ये इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है तो let's look at different formats.
Right.
We did rap songs.
Okay.
We had one guy who was the script writer and we gave it a beat. Okay. And we created a poem out of Swachh Bharat. And we out of 2D 3D animation we had a rap song with a character against a graffiti background and he was talking about Swachh Bharat. Achha. In another content piece we had hand puppets which was talking about Beti Bachao. We did whiteboard animation. Okay. We did vox pops where you go across the city, across the country and you ask people their points of view, and of course we did documentaries. Correct. So what I'm trying to say is कि हम लोग ने 30 सेकंड के, कहीं 5 मिनट के छोटे छोटे content pieces बनाए ये सारे schemes के. And the success was evident because those content pieces went on to the ministry's websites. Right. उनके inauguration dates पे वो. Correct. And then of course key government officials tweeted it from their from their X handles. Right. But coming back to your original question of the whole thing of team and collaboration, like I said, the strengths and weaknesses of each person. हम लोग ने in the course of हम लोग ये जब create कर रहे थे हमको ये दिखा कि जो इंसान editor है वो तो बढ़िया वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट बन सकता है. और जो इंसान 2D एनिमेशन कर रहा है वो तो स्क्रिप्ट लिख पा रहा है. अच्छा. और जो इंसान रिसर्च कर रही है वो कैमरा के सामने एंकर बढ़िया कर रही है. तो हम लोग ने हर इंसान को मल्टीटास्क करके अलग अलग किस्म के स्किल्स में यूज किया. एंड that's really critical. And what I found is it's really interesting to be able to see how not to put people into straight जैसे अपने किसी को डब्बे में डाल दिया, हाँ, कि ये इंसान बस ये करेगा, ये इंसान वो करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Right. क्योंकि हर इंसान में इतने ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, हर इंसान में इतने यूनिक traits हैं which if you're a good leader and if you can bring out that trait in that person in the correct way, and we actually had an how do I say it? It's like a जुगलबंदी, कि एक इंसान स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा है, एक इंसान रिसर्च कर रहा है, एक इंसान 2D कर रहा है, एक इंसान चेक कर रहा है, and we created some huge number of content pieces and converted dry raw data into engaging content. Wow. That was a very interesting experience. Wow.
So you have done content conceptualization for corporate films, digital platforms, and जैसे आपने शेयर किया गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स के लिए भी. Can you share some experience where you have had a strong sense of purpose for it and obviously the fulfillment of it?
So recently I directed and produced a film for the Indian Air Force. It was for a particular establishment of the Indian Air Force. And so the brand is the Indian Air Force, and the brief was the 50 or 60-year journey of combat aircrafts
Wow.
to be captured in one film. Now
That's
you have to take 60 years of this establishment's journey, all the different types of aircrafts, all their unique characteristics, you know, what each particular aircraft is best for in the field of combat. So it's technical. Now you have to convert 60 years into 13 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah. And at the same time make it interesting. So we followed a timeline. We followed a timeline, but it still had a story. And in one of the stories within stories, we found there was the first woman combat officer.
Okay.
She was the first woman to be a combat fighter pilot.
Okay.
And we got an interview from her.
Okay.
And she is inside the aircraft, and she's, you know, kind of like says, don't ever let your gender obstruct you from achieving your dreams.
Wow.
You know.
Wow.
So what I'm saying is we followed a narrative, we followed a story. The challenge was converting so many years into 13 minutes, but it was very fulfilling because in that story we also had to show how flying and combat flying, you know, a flight test for an Air Force pilot is inherently very risky.
Okay.
How many people lost their lives, and yet
Correct.
how many people are celebrated because of what they've done for their country. The very first, we even had footage of the very first time that we sent, you know, Chandrayaan to the moon,
Right.
and Indira Gandhi made her first, you know, she asked this question to Rakesh Sharma, and she said कि ऊपर से हमारा देश कैसे अच्छा लगता है, and he said सारे जहां से अच्छा. So you know, even in that 13 minutes we had a story.
Wow.
And we showed the journey of the combat aircrafts, the journey of this establishment, how people have lost their lives, how people have been celebrated, what people have done for the country. And that was the you know, and the film was then screened at a Silver Jubilee event on a large screen, and all the luminaries from this particular field of aviation came and attended it. So it was quite interesting and fulfilling experience. There's another experience also where there was a UN organization that sent a inquiry to our company, and nobody in the company quite knew कि ये क्या है. So they said, जाके check करो क्या है. And what it turned out, nobody had imagined, because what they wanted to do, they wanted to create a fiction series like a Saas Bahu,
Okay.
with high TRP ratings.
Okay.
लेकिन fiction story में उनको क्या चाहिए था? Education, sanitation, girl child,
Okay.
HIV, all the issues needed to be put into a high TRP fiction series.
Okay.
So the very first concept note for that series, pitching that to this UN organization, to the heads of department, getting that project over other competitors, some of whom were international foreign broadcasters, you know, and getting that project. And that project went on to 500 episodes.
Wow.
It won awards all over. It got converted into short radio programs.
Wow.
It got converted into podcasts. It went into like on-ground research where people did research on how the messages of it were received by the Hindi-speaking belt, the target community. कि मतलब information कितना disseminate हुआ है, behavior change कितना आया है. A Facts of Life book was created from it.
Wow.
So I think, yeah, some of the work has been quite rewarding because it's been very varied and very different kinds of work.
Correct. So you have so many years of experience in media and marketing industry. Numbers नहीं बोलूँगा. What is your approach to branding and content creation?
So I think, what is branding? You know, if we really ask ourselves this question, it is to give your business a unique identity, differentiate your business in the minds of the target audience and the general population.
Absolutely.
And then how does that business get a unique identity? what is its voice, what is its visual identity, what is its mission, what are its values, what is its logo, what is its name, you know. So in my mind, that is what branding is.
Okay.
And in any process of branding or any process of content creation where brand is also branded content,
right,
or content marketing, which
right,
is what I've also done a lot of, is the first question that we ask when we are sitting in a team is that, yaar, isme hamara goal kya hai?
Objective.
You know, what is our objective? First question is ki, what is it that we're trying to say to our audience? And once we know what our goal is, whether it's a 30-seconder, whether it's a 3-minuter, whether it's a 30 episodes, or whether it's 30 minutes, duration is not important. Even if it's a 3-seconder or a 5-seconder, what is our goal? हम क्या चाहते हैं? हम क्या चाहते हैं कि इस प्रोडक्ट के सेल्स बढ़े?
Right.
हम चाहते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट को एक अलग नजरिए से देखा जाए.
Right.
हम चाहते हैं कि इस कंटेंट पीस से बिहेवियर चेंज हो, या
right,
जैसे कि लोग हाथ धोएं, या बेटी को रिस्पेक्ट करें.
Right.
Is it behavior change? Is it a call to action?
Right.
Is it what is our goal of what we want the audience to do, or is it a combination of all those things?
Correct.
And in that process, when you know what your goal is, then you say, okay, suppose our goal is to increase sales, or suppose our goal is to create a campaign which is a call to action.
Okay.
कि पानी बचाओ या बेटी बचाओ. So if it's a call to action, हमको गोल पता है, लेकिन ये हम गोल कैसे अचीव करें? हम should we use drama? Should we use comedy?
Right.
Should we use should we just use data? So the goal and how to approach that goal with in what kind of tonality. And once we have these two things kind of very clear in our heads, the content actually emerges from that.
Okay.
उसी से कहानी निकल आ जाता है,
right,
उसी से नैरेटिव
right,
निकल आ जाता है.
Absolutely correct.
और वो नैरेटिव में कुछ भी हो, 30 सेकंड का भी हो, एड भी हो, तो according to me it's very powerful if you have a clear beginning, a middle, an end, but before the end a twist to the tail.
Wow.
You know?
Yes.
And then the message comes through.
Correct. आपकी learnings क्या हैं इसमें? The entire process जो आपने किया, आपका journey जो है उसमें learning क्या है आपकी?
So talking specifically about branded content and content marketing, I think one very important learning has been कि brand का जो values है वो content में आप किस तरीके से embed करो which is synergistic with the narrative, ताकि वो brand identity और आपका content story एकदम weave हो जाए. Okay. It's not something which is in your face. It's very subtly brought in. It's not always easy to do. Like we did this once for a very large healthcare provider. Okay. And the competitor network said, "Oh, we'll have a talk show and there'll be a doctor and the doctor will have a screen at the back where the healthcare company's name will be there and people will ask questions." And we said, "No, that's in your face. We won't do it like that. We'll do it very differently. Okay. We'll take patients who've had turnaround stories from that healthcare provider. Right. We'll go into the interiors of villages. Right. One young boy who's had an open heart surgery and the hospital did a free surgery for him. Right. His life turned around and he then went on to become a doctor and study medicine. Wow. And this is a tailor's son who didn't have shoes. He didn't have chappals to reach the hospital when he was 4 years old. So we won't do it in that way. We will embed the brand into the fabric of the story in a very subtle manner, and that's the beauty when you can weave brand into content very synchronistically.
Right. So what advice you want to give to our young professionals who are planning to make their career in content creation, content marketing and branding? So
let me answer that question giving some references to some brands that I've worked on. So for instance, one brand was an app that dispenses speedy loans. Okay. Okay. Another brand was the world's oldest co-educational residential boarding school. Achha. The world's oldest. 155-year-old school. Okay. Another brand, let's say, is a product which is sold through the direct marketing approach.
Okay.
And mostly sold to women, and we had to create content for that product, for that brand on International Women's Day.
Okay.
Another word, let's say a brand is a real estate company that is building houses of a certain bracket, under a certain number of CR. So now in all of these brands, when we set out to create that content, we first brainstorm and we said, okay, chalo, let's do research. Let's see what this brand attributes are. Let's see what this brand represents. Let's see what the core values of this brand are. Let's see what the competitors to this brand have done.
Wow.
So if it's a cement company, what are the other competitors have done?
Exactly.
If it's an app that is giving loans, what are the other apps who are dispersing loans doing?
Right.
If it's a world's oldest residential co-ed boarding school, let's find other boarding schools across the world that have that are around, and what kind of content have they created.
Correct.
So research the brand thoroughly and see the values of the brand and see what content the competitors in this brand has already created. And then is a very interesting thing where you say कि अगर ये ब्रांड इंसान होता,
अच्छा,
तो अगर ये ब्रांड सुधांशु मलिक होता, या अगर ये ब्रांड मालिनी होती, तो इसके की पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स क्या होते?
Right.
So you've understood the history of the brand, you've researched the competitors of the brand, and now you're seeing the brand as a human being. आप ब्रांड को इंसान की तरह से देख रहे हो, ह्यूमनाइज कर दिया. और अगर ये एकदम क्लियर हो गया, तो इसमें से ही हमारा कंटेंट फ्लो करता है. So what I would say is, to somebody young who's starting out, is that the minute you start, first thing is focus on research.
Absolutely.
Get the research matrix right, and you can't go wrong then.
Correct. So you want to share some technical tips or strategies for our aspiring marketers who want to make a meaningful impact in this entire digital space? Especially we have dynamic, dynamic and very competitive landscape.
Yeah, I think, Sudhanshu, one very useful thing that I found is that if people are able to open their minds, like Edward de Bono has said that, you just think laterally.
Right.
You think upside down. उसी चीज को 5 अलग नजरिए से सोचो. And very specifically when it's coming to content for digital media, if you say कि I am going to think afresh and think of 5-10 different formats, वो format rap song हो सकता है, वो format whiteboard animation हो सकता है, वो format 3D एनिमेशन हो सकता है, वो फॉर्मेट हो सकता है कि हम मार्केट में जाके लोगों के वॉक्स पॉप्स लेंगे, वो हो सकता है कि हम एक वीडियो आर्टिकल बनाएंगे, प्रिंट आर्टिकल में हम वीडियो एम्बेड कर देंगे डिजिटल मीडिया के लिए, हम एक पॉडकास्ट कर देंगे, हम रेडियो कर देंगे. And if you're lucky and you're able to do 5 different mediums for 5 different platforms using different formats. Right. So if your format is interesting, if your format is engaging, the content will automatically flow and sort of have impact with audiences.
So how to manage and maintain brand consistency across platforms?
So I think it's like each platform has its own tonality.
Right.
Each platform has its own characteristic. Instagram is much more fun, youthful, short, crisp. Facebook is much more informal. LinkedIn is much more cerebral. It's much more of a professional networking site. So if one has cracked the germ of the idea of the content piece, then the skill is in कि उसको हमको थोड़ा सा tweak करना है.
Right.
You tweak it for it to go to that end platform. So once the germ of the idea is cracked, then it's going slightly tweaked to Insta, it's going slightly tweaked to LinkedIn. That's important because the personality of the end platform has to match that content piece.
It should match with the content.
It should match. Otherwise, it's a complete misfit. Right. And the other thing is that every brand also has its own tonality and personality in its content. So, जैसे Zomato का approach humorous है. Brute का एक point था, content was more inspirational.
Right.
So if you've got that whole the tonality of the brand and the tonality and the personality of the end platform, and you can tweak your content keeping these two pillars in mind, you can't go wrong.
Okay. So what is your mantra or philosophy of success? And ये उनके लिए भी है, I mean, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन उनके लिए भी है जो अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं इसमें, सक्सेसफुल करियर बनाना चाहते हैं इसमें.
3 words. Never give in.
Wow.
Follow your dreams. Follow your passion. Keep striving.
Right.
And always aspire to do something better. Every day there'll be a new challenge. Take on the challenges, you know, and keep reinventing yourself. Don't allow yourself to stagnate. And at any point in time, you'll always have things to juggle.
Right.
Like my daughter is on a flight. As we're shooting this, my daughter is on a flight right now back from New York to Delhi. And I've been awake the whole night from 2 in the morning, seeing that, she checked in safely and
Right.
she sort of embarked, safely. But that is no reason to have cancelled today's shoot.
Right.
So what I'm trying to say is that juggle if you have to.
Right.
Be a juggler in a circus if you have to. Juggle 5 different cups. Hold on to the cups that you think matter. Let go of the cups that you don't matter.
Right.
But keep evolving.
Right.
Keep growing. Keep aspiring. And one very important thing is change.
Right.
I really believe that the only constant in our life is change.
Right.
So just embrace change.
So Malini, thank you so much for coming, and it was indeed an insightful, I mean, बहुत informational discussion हुआ. We had on content creation and content marketing, and I'm sure हमारे listeners को बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है इसमें, बहुत experience जो इन्होंने अपना share किया है वो मिलने वाला है. And I am satisfied with this podcast shoot, but I feel कि अभी और podcast shoot करना पड़ेगा आपके साथ हमें to take out that experience from you.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. It's really a pleasure coming here. But I think most importantly, it would be my biggest reward would be that if some of my insights can help empower and enable a youngster, that would be my reward. And
Right.
thank you so much for having me. And I must compliment you for your energy, for your enthusiasm, for coming from another sector and sort of being a self-taught person and creating this entire series. It's very commendable, really.
Thank you so much.